So here's Celebrity Cruises app. So to install it, just tap to install it in here. Yeah, this is the app to elevate your cruise experience with Ultimate Digital Companion. This app offers an elevated premium vacation experience across our fleet of ships, 300 destinations, more than 70 countries. Vacation planning, start your journey like a pro, more than a cruise app. So you have all of the things here. Book your vacation, plan your travel, uh, and it's quite a reliable company, and it's built by Royal Caribbean. So this is the app which you can just open it up. And then yeah, you can just start using it.